Hello, friends. Welcome back to Plotline English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. Great to see you again.
Today, we're talking about money, saving money.
Yes, by the end of this conversation, you'll know exactly how to talk about budgets, savings, and spending, all in easy English.
And you'll sound natural, like a native speaker.
So, Lily, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Do you save money every month?
I try. Sometimes it's hard.
I know, right? Me too. Some months I save a lot. Other months, zero.
Zero? Really?
Yeah, I spend everything.
On what? Coffee?
Hey, coffee is important.
I'm joking. But seriously, we all need a plan.
A plan?
Yes, a budget. Do you know that word, budget?
Oh, yes. A budget is a plan for your money.
Exactly. You decide, how much can I spend? How much should I save?
That makes sense. So, Lily, do you have a budget?
I do. I write it down every month.
Impressed. Really? How?
Well, first, I look at my income.
Income?
Yes, income is the money you get, like your salary.
Ah, okay. So your salary is your income.
Exactly. And then I write down my expenses.
Expenses? That's the money you spend, right?
Yes, you got it. Expenses are things like rent, food, bills.
And coffee.
Yes, Jack, and coffee.
Good, because I can't live without it.
Okay. But listen, the goal is simple,
What's the goal?
clear, and motivational. Spend less than you earn.
Spend less than you earn. That sounds easy.
It sounds easy, but it's not always easy to do.
True. So, how do you do it?
Okay, here's what I do. Step 1. I write my income at the top.
Income at the top. Got it.
Then I list all my expenses: rent, electricity, internet, food, transport.
Phone bill?
Yes, phone bill too. Everything.
And then?
Then I add them all up. I see how much I spend in total.
Okay, and if your expenses are more than your income?
Then you have a problem.
Yeah, I think I have that problem.
Don't worry, a lot of people do. The good news?
Yeah?
You can fix it.
How?
You cut your expenses. You spend less.
But how do I know what to cut?
Good question. Let me show you. There are 2 types of expenses.
2 types?
Yes, fixed expenses and variable expenses.
Fixed and variable.
Right. Fixed expenses are the same every month, like rent.
Oh, so rent is fixed. I pay the same amount.
Exactly. Same with your phone bill, your internet, your gym membership.
Ah, I see. They don't change.
Affirmative. But variable expenses, they change.
Like what?
Food, entertainment, shopping, coffee.
Coffee again?
Yes, because some months you buy 10 coffees, some months you buy 30.
True. It's different every time.
So, variable expenses are easier to cut
Why?
because you can control them. You can say, this month I'll buy less.
That makes sense. But what about fixed expenses? Can I cut those?
It's harder, but yes, sometimes you can.
How?
Well, maybe you switch to a cheaper phone plan or cancel a subscription you don't use.
Oh, like a streaming service.
Exactly. Do you have 5 streaming services?
Maybe 4?
Do you watch all 4?
Not really. Maybe 2.
Then cancel the other 2. Save that money.
Wow, you're right. That's easy money to save.
See, small changes make a big difference.
Okay, I'm starting to see it. So cut the expenses you don't need.
Exactly. And track your spending.
Track?
Yes, track means Follow, watch, write it down.
Oh, like keep a record.
Yes, every time you spend money, write it in a notebook or an app.
Every time? That's a lot of work.
It sounds like a lot, but it helps so much.
How?
Because you see where your money goes. Maybe you're spending too much on one thing.
Like eating out?
Exactly. Maybe you eat out 5 times a week.
Okay, maybe I do that.
And how much does one meal cost?
$10? 15?
Okay, 5 meals a week. That's about $50 to $75 a week,
Wow, that's a lot.
right? And in 1 month, that's $200 to $300.
I never thought about it like that.
That's why tracking is so important. It shows you the truth.
Okay, I'm going to start tracking.
Good. And here's another tip.
What?
Use the 50, 30, 20 rule.
The what rule?
50, 30, 20. It's a simple budgeting rule.
Okay, explain.
50% of your income goes to needs.
Needs? Like rent and food?
Yes, things you must have. 30% goes to wants.
Wants. Like fun stuff?
Exactly. Shopping, going out, hobbies.
And the last 20?
20% goes to savings.
Oh, so you save automatically?
Yes, every month 20% goes straight to your savings account.
That's smart. But what if I can't do 20%?
That's okay. Start smaller. Save 10% or even 5.
Oh, good. Because 20 sounds hard.
The important thing is to start. Even a little bit helps.
True. Something is better than nothing.
Exactly. And once you start, it feels good.
Why?
Because you see your savings grow. It's motivating.
Ah, I get it. Like a small win every month.
Yes, exactly. And those small wins add up.
Okay, I'm feeling motivated now.
Good. So, let's practice a conversation.
Okay, like a role play?
Yes. Imagine we're friends and we're talking about money.
Okay, got it. Let's do it.
Hey, Jack, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
How do you manage your money?
I don't really. I just spend it.
Just spend it. No plan?
Yeah, I know. I should save more.
It's not too late. You can start now.
How?
Make a simple budget. Write down your income and expenses.
I don't know, that sounds boring.
It's not boring, it's helpful, and it only takes 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes, just sit down, write everything, and look at the numbers.
Okay, I'll try it.
Great, and let me know how it goes.
Will do. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Okay, end of roleplay.
That was fun, and it felt natural.
Right? That's how real friends talk about money.
So, do you think people feel shy talking about money?
Yes. In some cultures, it's a private topic.
True, but it's important to talk about it.
Absolutely. Talking helps you learn.
And it's less stressful when you share.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to ask questions.
Yeah, friends help friends with money.
Well said, Jack. Okay, let's talk about saving goals.
Saving goals?
Yes, why are you saving? What's your goal?
I don't know, just to have money?
That's good, but a specific goal is better.
Like what?
Like, I want to save for a vacation, or a new laptop, or an emergency fund.
Oh, so you have a reason to save.
Exactly. It keeps you motivated.
That makes sense. If I have a goal, I won't give up.
Right? And you can see your progress.
Okay. I want to save for a trip to Japan.
Ooh, nice. How much do you need?
Maybe $2,000?
Okay. And how much can you save each month?
Maybe $100?
Perfect. So in 20 months, you'll have enough.
20 months? That's fast.
See? With a plan, it's possible.
Wow. I'm really excited now.
Good. And here's a tip. Open a separate savings account
Why?
so you don't accidentally spend that money.
Ah, keep it separate. Smart.
Yes, and you can name it Japan Trip Fund.
I love that. It makes it more real, right?
Totally.
Okay, I'm doing this.
Good. Now, let's talk about one more thing. Impulse buying.
Impulse buying.
Yes, it's when you buy something without thinking.
Oh, I do that all the time.
I know, we all do.
Yeah, I see something, I want it, I buy it.
Right, it feels good in the moment.
Yes, but then I regret it later.
Exactly. So here's a trick.
What?
Wait 24 hours before you buy.
Wait?
Yes, see something you want? Don't buy it right away. Wait one day.
Why?
Because after one day, you might not want it anymore.
Oh, so it stops impulse buying.
Exactly. Most of the time, the feeling goes away.
That's really smart.
Try it. It works.
Okay, I will. Wait 24 hours.
Good. And if you still want it after one day, then maybe it's worth it.
Right. It's about thinking first.
Yes. Think before you spend.
Okay, I can do that.
I know you can. All right, let's do one more mini conversation.
Okay, what's the situation?
You want to buy new shoes, but they're expensive.
Oh no. How expensive?
$150.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, so what do you do?
I really want them.
But you're saving for Japan.
True, but these shoes are so nice.
Do you need them?
Not really. My old shoes are fine.
So what's your decision?
I'll wait. I'll think about it for one day.
Good choice.
Yeah, and I'll probably forget about them.
Exactly. That's how it works.
Okay, I like this trick.
Me too. It saves me so much money.
Do you ever feel bad saying no to yourself?
Sometimes, but then I think about my goals.
Right, like your savings goal.
Exactly. And that makes it easier to say no.
Okay, I'm going to remember that.
Good. So, Jack, let's recap everything.
Yes, let's go over it.
First, make a budget. Write your income and expenses.
Check. Budget.
Second, track your spending. See where your money goes.
Track spending. Got it.
Next point, third, cut unnecessary expenses.
Like extra subscriptions.
Exactly. Fourth, save a percentage every month, even if it's small.
Start small. I can do that.
Next point, fifth, set a clear savings goal.
Like my Japan trip.
Yes. And last, wait before impulse buying.
24 hours. Think first.
Perfect. You got it all.
This feels doable now.
It is. You just need to start.
I'm starting today.
I'm proud of you, Jack.
Thanks, Lily. This was really helpful.
You're welcome. And remember, friends, saving money is not about being perfect.
Right. It's about making better choices.
Exactly. Small steps every day.
And those small steps lead to big results.
Yes. So start today. Make your budget, set your goal.
And track your spending.
You sound like a money expert now.
Well, I learned from the best.
Okay. So, friends, we hope this conversation helped you.
We really do. And we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, leave a comment below.
Tell us what's one thing you want to save money for.
A trip, a new phone, an emergency fund.
Share with us. We want to know.
And don't forget to subscribe to Plotline English.
We post Me Conversations every week.
Thanks so much for listening, friends.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.